Want an Australian partner visa? What next? If you met that special lady in the Philippines and you're now engaged or married, then good for you. Congratulations. I hope you've decided not to mess about with tourist visas and to apply for a partner visa or a prospective marriage visa to bring her to Australia. If you're not sure yet, then wait until you are. Plan another trip. Wait a few months until you're certain. But if you know she's the one for you, then for your own benefit, get on with it. Life is too short. Don't waste any of it due to cold feet. And I hope you've decided to get a registered migration agent to manage your application for you. Why? Because it's too hard on your own. Regardless of how smart you feel or what the amateur advice forums tell you, this is new to you and it's far from crystal clear. We had 3 lawyers as clients in 2012 because they knew they needed a specialist. All 3 visas were granted too, happy to say, along with hundreds of other applications every year. What to do? Do you need to read up on the Department of Immigration and Border Protection websites, or take dreadful advice from a no care, no responsibility forum, and fill out forms and hope that you're right? No, not at all. We suggest you go to the Down Under Visa site, www.downundervisa.com.au, and read about fiance and spouse visas on there. We also suggest that you fill in the spouse visa assessment form. Then wait for us to assess your case, and we'll let you know if we can help you. We'll also tell you about our professional fees and government visa charge costs. If you're happy, let us know and we can start preparing your application straight away. Now be aware that preparing a sound application takes time. You can't wander into our office, sign forms, and expect us to lodge an application immediately. We do get requests like that, but we simply won't do it. We are ethically bound to only take on cases we believe will be successful, and we will always act in your best interests. Lodging poorly prepared applications is definitely not in your best interests. You Australian men will know the story of the old bull and the young bull. Well, we're definitely the old bull. If you become our client, you just have to follow our advice and our instructions. Leave the planning to us and leave any worrying to us. We have a remarkable success rate and we never let a client down. And please avoid the so-called agents who are not registered. In Australia, it's illegal to give migration advice unless you're a registered migration agent like Jeff Harvie from Down Under Visa. In the Philippines, they get away with it because Australian law doesn't stretch beyond the borders, which is a pity. Therefore, you'll find a plethora of opportunists happy to take your money. There are supposed visa specialists all over the country who will apply for any visa for any country for you. And every travel agent will put on the visa expert hat if you ask them. Many of them claim to have friends in the Australian Embassy who will rush it all through for you, guaranteed, which is not only nonsense but it's quite offensive. Are the dodgy agents and travel agents cheaper? You bet they are. Australian dollars go far in the Philippines. More than the commission they make on selling bus tickets, that's for sure. No wonder they're enthusiastic. But what price do you put on your future happiness? Once you realise the visa application has been refused, or realise they never even lodged it, you'll spend more on the extra trip here to console your crying girl than you'll ever pay to us for doing the job properly. Please think about it. And again, please go to our website and fill out our assessment form. Thank you.